Previously, the exploitation of wood to serve the production and processing of furniture or for daily use was limited, and small branches and twigs that were not guaranteed were often wasted. Therefore, wood chippers were invented to meet the demand for recycling wood in production. The chipped wood is applied as fertilizer in agriculture or compressed into wood pellets for use in the gas production industry. So, watch our video to better understand the production process of wood chippers. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. The Oster GS650 Mini Wood Chipper is a powerful and convenient device for grinding small trees into large wood chips. With a powerful engine, the machine can quickly and efficiently process a large amount of wood. With its compact and convenient design, the machine can be easily moved to different areas for use. It can be used in construction sites, farms, or gardens. The machine is designed to meet the user's requirements with many convenient and easy-to-use features. The machine includes a sharp blade cutting shaft to grind small trees into large wood chips. To use the machine, the user simply inserts the wood into the cutting area and the machine will automatically process it. With an automatic feeding system to ensure that the wood is processed continuously and efficiently, this helps save time and energy for users. Therefore, the machine is widely used in small and medium-scale wood chip production. However, currently, to produce wood on a large scale, the use of small mini machines cannot meet the job requirements. These demands require the emergence of large-capacity wood chippers to process large pieces of wood. The job of the woodworker is to sequentially feed each long branch into the cutting head. With high power, the machine has chopped the branches into small pieces of wood of equal size. With the conveyor system, these pieces of wood are then directly transported into the storage compartment of the transportation truck. With a wide cutting door design and an automatic sensor system, the machine operates continuously to ensure the work is done quickly and efficiently. The emergence of these machines has shortened many processing stages in wood production while ensuring safety for users. Looking at the scene of the small pieces of wood and branches being moved along the conveyor into the storage containers of the transportation truck creates a wonderful scene of labor achievement. In addition, to perform the job effectively, it requires a team of professional workers who have good health and are careful in their work. It ensures that the combination of people and machines take place safely and efficiently. An integrated wood crusher and grabber machine is a superior device for processing and recycling wood. Currently, it is operating at the wood collection yard to make wood processing easier and more efficient. With advanced technology and smart design, the integrated wood crusher and grabber machine can easily crush and separate different types of wood. It can process various types of wood. The machine is equipped with a large grabber to collect and transfer wood to the crushing compartment, where large pieces of wood are crushed into small wood chips through a gear system. This creates a beautiful scene. The wood grabber can hold many blocks of wood at once and quickly and easily bring them to the crusher. When the wood is fed into the crusher, it is crushed into smaller wood chips. The machine can adjust the size of the input material to ensure the quality of the final product. The wood chips are then filtered and classified for reuse. We can see a large wood grinder with powerful capacity and amazing workability has become an important device in the modern wood industry. With the ability to process batches of wood, this large wood chipper can quickly and efficiently grind different types of wood. Equipped with advanced technology, this large wood chipper ensures stable operation and high precision in the grinding process. The excavator, an indispensable part of the wood chipper, with modern handle parts, the excavator can move flexibly and quickly to collect and transfer wood blocks to the grinding area. When wood is fed into the wood chipper, it will be crushed into smaller wood chips. The large wood chipper has the ability to adjust the size of the input material to ensure the quality of the final product. Then, the wood chips will be filtered and classified for reuse. The combination of these two machines plays an important role in optimizing the production process and protecting the environment by minimizing wood resource waste. Thus, the great value of modern machinery applied in wood production and processing has created great value for life. The use of wood products contributes to ensuring the living environment of human beings by replacing products made of nylon. The emergence of grinding machines helps to shorten the time to complete work effectively while solving risks in the working process for workers. However, nowadays, wood exploitation is also one of the issues that countries around the world need to pay attention to. Reckless wood exploitation will affect the ecosystem of the forest, directly affecting the habitat of rare animal species. Therefore, we always need to appropriate policies to balance between exploitation and reforestation, to create abundant resources for future generations. That's the end of our video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for new experiences. Goodbye and see you again.